How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto friendly coffee from scratch. I'm gonna show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, so let me show you how to make this new and improved keto coffee recipe. All right, here we go. All right, what we're gonna do is add about 10 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Fill up the remaining portion with filtered water. We'll add about 1.5 teaspoons of instant decaf. We'll add a pinch of cinnamon. And sweetener of your choice. I used to use liquid stevia, about 7 drops, but I very rarely have sweetener on keto anymore. And about 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. You could use coconut oil if you prefer. All right, now let's give it a mix. And there you have it, keto coffee. Now for a taste test. Cheers, mate. Take a look at that foam on top of that decaf coffee. Wow, this looks great. Absolutely delicious. This is incredible. Now, I just recently gave up keto-friendly sweeteners as well, so I would typically put about 7 drops of liquid stevia in this as I was blending, as I did find that I was having it every day and it was messing with my gut flora. I definitely include this in my daily regimen on my ketogenic lifestyle, along with my breakfast. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troyce signing out.